Hello, am I audible? Hello, hello, am I audible? I'm audible. What's up? What's up? What's up, good sirs? Extremely tired, extremely exhausted. Shawaf, what's up? How are you doing, darling? Yuck. I hate, I hate that. Also, shout out to Happy Calories for keto meals. This is all disgusting. Even chocolate is disgusting in keto because it tastes so bad. Mm, mm. Yeah, that's bad. That is good. Shawaf, Shawaf, my man.
What's up?
One
How are you?
second now. That's so much.
What?
Give me a second. I'm coming back in this.
Cool, cool.
Ah,
What's up?
what's up? Can we just take this
So,
off?
what's happening?
Can we take this off?
Long time.
Yeah, Azad Vyapari was put on a hold for a bit.
Why do you have to cancel every day in the last moment? Why can't you plan it earlier?
Oh yeah, motherfucker! Oh
I
yeah,
cancel it only on Monday. I
oh
cancel it
yeah,
only on
motherfucker!
Monday.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Go to hell,
Let's
dude.
fuck you! I can give you on like a literal callback on all the times you've been
Dude, I cancelled only on Monday.
Shut up. You also.
Sarthak, bro. Let's say you might. Let's see. Uh, so, where were we?
Where were we? The last session
Hmm.
we did.
You applied for 5 lots? Oh my god. But yeah,
What?
let's not lose hopes. Markets are pretty weird. Things are going actually bad right now, but yeah, let's see what happens.
Why? What do you mean?
If luck is in your favor, things might work out well for you.
Okay, last we did gap up, gap down, short covering, long build up, short build up.
Okay, so today was supposed to be trading view recap, right? I mean, trading view walkthrough, I mean, recap. Okay, cool. Uh, is my screen visible?
Oh, it takes a second. Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
What's up? Yeah. Okay, so we'll be using this software a lot.
What's the name of the software?
It's TradingView, tradingview.com, in.tradingview.com,
I am.
in dot
I am.
tradingview.com.
Mm.
Just a minute. Okay, so we'll be using this software a lot because this software gives us a live real time data from time to time. It keeps updating, and we can get charts, and we can explore all the markets throughout the world in this specific software. Cool. So in
Okay.
this, we'll be using some of the tools which I'll be showing you, which you can mark it and keep it as well, because these are some tools which we'll be using a lot more often.
Okay. You want to name all the tools first and then go through one by
What?
one? You want to name all the tools first and then go through them one by one?
Wait a minute. I think something's wrong.
Do you want to go? Do you want to like name all the tools at once and then go through them one by one?
Hmm. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you say?
You want to name all the tools once, or
You're
you
not
want to
audible,
go?
sir. Yeah, it's kind of breaking for me. Wait a minute. Yeah. So in from here, once you enter this software, you'll have to log in, and you can even use the free version as well. And there are different kind of paid versions, so you won't be needing. Yes, Sad is not audible. It seems. Sad.
I think I'm good now. Am I audible now? Is this better?
Sad, reconnect the mic.
Is this better?
Okay, so what were you asking?
You can name all the tools at once, and then we can go through them one by one.
What?
You can name all the tools at once, and then we can go through them one by
Okay,
one.
cool, cool, cool. Okay, as I was saying, you can either use the free version or the paid version, but you won't need the paid version for quite some time now. You can use all these tools in the free version as well. So to start off with, you can, and we'll be favoriting, putting it in the favorite bar, all the tools which we will be using quite often, so that we don't have to go here search it over and over again. To start off with, we'll be using the trend line, horizontal line, horizontal ray, and fib retracement, trend based fib extension, Gan Box, uh, rectangle.
Slow down, motherfucker. Slow down. What the fuck? Okay. Trend box. First one. What was the first one? Trend something.
Fib retracement.
Okay, wait. I'll tell you when you can go. Map. Okay. Fib retracement. Okay. Okay. Next.
Trend based fib extension.
Mm. Done.
Gan Box.
Mm. Okay, done.
Rectangle.
Mm. Mm.
Then long position, short position.
Mm. Got it. Got it.
Done.
Mm. Done. 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 Done.
Okay, so we'll be basically in the starting we'll be using trend lines to either mark liquidity points. You remember what liquidity is, right, Sad?
Yes.
What does it mean? Tell me.
Liquidity is basically when you remove positions in the market. There is the gaps that are made. That is liquidity.
What?
What is liquidity?
Yeah, without you telling this, we are not moving further.
Imbalance. Supplies on order block. You asked me supplies over an order block. That's all I know. Freshness, impulsive, you know, discounted area, premium area, imbalance, fill up imbalance, cap up, cap down. Where the fuck is liquidity? Okay. I know you said it. I know I've forgotten it. So please let me know what it is.
Okay, somebody has told in the chat that it's a flux. Yeah, it's a flux. So he said that it. Just a minute. He said that liquidity are stop once area. Okay, that is liquidation is something like that. That's all. Basically, above every high and below every low, there are people who have their stop losses right there. You remember that?
That's what I told. No, when the these ones are taken out, when the gap between the, I
What
don't
is
know how to
gap, dude?
explain.
What is gap?
I know what I'm saying. I know what you're saying. I know what I'm saying also. Like
Yeah, you
I
should be able to
understand.
explain it. No, how will I understand if you say gap?
Same thing.
Okay. So to mark out liquidation points, that is where we use trend lines basically. We won't be using trend lines, trend lines to make actual trend lines and say support and resistance and trade based over those. These will be basically just liquidation points or to mark these break-off structures, all this stuff. Like suppose say this,
Mm.
okay, this low. Getting it?
Got it.
To mark these will be using trend lines. Next is horizontal line. That is just one click line direct that will be actually not using it a lot often. We usually keep that. We can use those to keep targets at this high. Suppose if you want to mark this high, we can use either the horizontal line or the horizontal ray. Horizontal ray is just half of it. Wherever you click, it goes from there to the right side.
Mm.
Get it?
Got
Oh,
it.
sorry. Wait. Did you get it?
Got it. Got it.
Next, wait. I think.
First start
Yeah.
with fib
Okay.
retracement.
Wait. Fib retracement and trend based extension. We'll do it later. Just write it down. We have to learn as well. I
Okay.
haven't taught about that to you, so we'll do it in the next upcoming days.
Okay. Gan box.
Next is Gan Box. Gan Box is that thing which I told you about. Remember,
Yeah.
50% to see the 50% tap.
50% premium area, discount area.
Yeah, so when you actually use the Gan Box for the first time, it won't be like this. It'll be like this. Okay. So you'll have to cancel all of these. Uh, you won't need time level any of the time levels, and then you can take off the background and just change the color to whatever you want to make keep it. Got it?
Got it. So you just keep the first left, third left, and the center of the right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and then this GAN box is done. In this, we'll only be using rectangle. Rectangle basically to draw the supply and demand zones. We'll be using rectangle only to mark supply and demand zones or order blocks. Even GAN box we can use for marking order blocks. Rectangle we can use to mark supply and demand zones.
Mm.
Then okay. Then comes long position, short position. Long position is basically suppose if you have taken a long position from here, you keep it. If this is your target, you keep this to your target, and if this is your stop loss, just to see the risk reward ratio, basically.
Okay.
Get it? This is to mark your risk reward ratio, and the same comes for short position as well. You keep your wherever you enter, you keep it here. You keep this at your stop loss, right at your stop loss, and whatever your target is, you mark that and keep in this one. Got it?
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Okay, and this is a simple walkthrough among the tools. Now we'll go through the time frames here again. We'll have different time frames, and in the free version, I don't think you can use the 2 minute. You can use 1, 3, 5, 15, 50, 30, wait, 2, okay, 30, 45. All these you can use, and whatever you use often, you can just go favorite it right here so that it pops up right over here, so that it's easy to access and use whenever you have to change the time frame, or else
Can
you
you
can
can
simply
you
do it.
can you do us a
What?
favor? Log out of your account. Log out of your account. Log into like a new one, and
Wait.
then just help us set up.
Wait, I show. I think in this it will be logged out. Trading. Okay. See, if you want to log in, this here, if you press, it'll show you the options for the paid version, monthly and annually. Or else, if you want to use the free version, you can just go use your email ID, Google or whatever it is to log in, and you can start using the free version. Free
Okay.
version again. Once you enter TradingView, this will be your first user interface. Then from here, suppose say you want to search. From here again, if you press launch chart, it'll directly take you to the chart. And the first time you use TradingView, this will how your trading interface will look like. The charts will be like this. You can change the color accordingly, however you want, by double clicking on it. Double click on the candles. This. page pops up and you can change the color what to whatever you want and however you want. And then see here we'll have options for all this. You can't use the
Change it,
second
no?
time frame. What?
Change the colors, no?
What?
Let's set it up. Like just change it here.
Yeah,
Like
cool,
let's
cool.
make.
So here you'll have the 1 minute time frame. I use the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. See, as I put it on favorites, it starts popping up right here.
Mm.
See, 3, 15, 30, 45, 1, 4, 1. Okay, these are the time frames which I use for my all kind of trades for long, like a swing position trade or an intraday trade. So I just keep it right here so that it's easy to change them. Okay, then Gan box, rectangle, go on this, long position, short position. Okay. Then what else? See. Okay, so we'll start with the Gan box. See, this will how the Gan box will look for everyone in the starting. So if you guys want, you can just screenshot this page. You just cancel this, and this. You don't need the time levels. Okay, then we'll just change it to. So the Gan box is set, but it's not visible yet. First, we'll change this thing to. Then to change the dark panel, the thing from here, if you press. See, this is a white screen.
Mm.
Okay. So from here, if you change again 1 minute, uh,
What is the left? What is the right side?
wait. Hmm. So this the first one changes the body of the up. Basically, body of left one is for the up candles, right one is for the down candles.
Mm.
Okay, you can change the color of the wick, body, and the borders. So if I keep it like this, then see you can see the chart like this. Then from here again, if I go to appearance, vertical grid lines, reduce them, reduce these as well. So the lines on the background has disappeared. I have to reduce the transparency to completely zero. Get it?
Got it.
So far clear?
Clear, clear.
Saad.
Clear, Baba. Clear, clear. Clear.
Okay, so and next, yeah, now the GAN box will be pretty clear for us. Okay, so the and okay, rectangles. If you want, you can set it up however you want it to. So you can just double click on it, or you can just change it from here. The moment you click on it here, you can change the color to whatever you want from here, and then change the filling, reduce the borders a little. And these you can use it for your supply and demand zones. Okay. I have two separate kind of rectangles saved. So gray for supply zones and a light blue for demand zones. It doesn't have to be like that. That's how I have kept it. You can keep it the same color or however you want to. That doesn't really matter on how you trade. It's just that when you market, it should be pretty evident to you, and you should be able to understand what you're doing in the market. Okay, and then next again, this is a short and long position, short position. So this is for the long position. Suppose you enter here, keep your stop loss. Again, you set this part. So this is done. Okay. And on the free version, I think you can't make a lot of. Yeah, you can't make watch. Yeah, you can't actually make watch list. There will be a watch list over here, which you can. I think you can add one. eh, No,
How much is the paid version?
paid version starts from 1,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees a month, I guess. The basic version. The
Can
pro
we
version,
take
Pro Plus is
can we take
2.5.
trades here? Can we take trades here? Can we take trades here?
And the other one is 4. What?
Can we take a trade here, or is this just for viewing?
Looking at the markets, that's all. You can't actually take any kind of trades over. Just a minute.
Janta Janta, what is up? Am I audible? जब तक शवाफ नहीं आ
Hmm. So you can't actually take any trades over here. For taking trades, you'll have to use your specific brokers on whatever you're trading. So you can for suppose for stock market, trading stock market, you'll have to use Zerodha Upstocks or whatever it is. But I use Zerodha, so I prefer Zerodha. And for trading crypto, you can use Binance, and then Forex, you can use FXTM,
Isn't
you can
there a
use
trading view
XNES,
there
and for
itself?
what?
Isn't there a trading view there itself?
I don't know what the problem is, sir, but you're not audible to me. Your voice is pretty low.
Yes, I can. Is this better?
Hello.
Yeah, is this better?
Mm. Okay, so yeah, these will be the basic tools which will be using a lot often for trading. And other than this, you can and Sad, you can't take any trades over here. But yeah, you can. You have the access to almost every charts throughout all the countries and everything. You literally anywhere if you want Nifty, Bank Nifty, Indian market, US market, the commodity market, the forex market, the crypto market, if you want crude oil market, silver, everything, you can just access it right here. And to search for it, you can just click on the screen and just search whatever you have to. Suppose say you have to search for euro. You type euro and you get a list of everything you need. That's all.
So what? So we would basically take a trade. We would see a trade here and then take it on the on broker account.
What?
We would basically take like we would view it here and take a trade in the another account.
Wait. I'll just exit and come back to the room. Wait.
I think, is it me or is it Shavaf? Am I clear? Am I not audible? Is it me? Chat. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Thank you. I'm tired. आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हैं ज़बान पर, अच्छा सबको मालूम है पर नहीं मुझको मालूम नहीं, को खबर हो गई है क्या? ना 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 What do I think about Aam Aadmi Party? I used to be one of the Aam Aadmi Party workers. I don't know anymore.
Sad,
Yes.
there's still some problem from my end. I think there's a problem in my speakers, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, I can hear everything you're saying, by the way.
What?
I can hear you good.
I can hear you, but the volume is very low.
Okay, so you continue. No problem.
Mm. Okay, so now as I was saying, you did you understand what all kind of tools we use in TradingView? Okay, and okay, let's do some Q&A because my speakers has some really bad issue and it's really confusing for me. Let's do a Q&A and wrap it up for today. We'll do it better tomorrow. Cool. We are not here to. Oh, God, okay. Cool. Oh God. Cool. Fuck it.
You
I
can
still can't hear you, Sad. Can you hear me now?
You can continue.
Okay, so like I told, let's wrap it up for today. We'll finish, we'll have a Q&A right now. After that, we'll wrap it up for today. We'll do it tomorrow.
Cool.
Saad ka leg piece, it seems.
Fuck, bro. Look at this. I'm balding
So
so
no
bad.
questions? Any questions?
No questions. I don't think there are any questions. It was very basic. You can go on. No questions. Illa.
No. Okay, cool. Chalo then. Bye-bye.
Oh wait, do your homework, motherfuckers. Go do what I need you to do is go like, share, subscribe. Number one. Number two is if you go to TradingView and do your setup, take a screenshot, tag me and Shabaf. Kafi sexy and Azad Vyapari. Yeah, okay. That you can hear a little bitch.
I'm just shaking my head. I'm
Ah,
trying to
this you
focus
could
what
hear,
you're telling.
motherfucker. You can hear. This guy just wants to leave.
I'll send you how what I can hear.
Are you
I'll
getting some
record it and I'll
pussy
send it to
tonight? Are
you.
you getting some pussy tonight? Is that why you're leaving, bitch?
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye. आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हैं ज़बान पर. Okay, bye.